Hello, my dear students of class 6. I hope you all are very fine at your home. Stay at your home, stay safe, and sanitize yourself. Okay, I'm your literature teacher, Pratik sir. So, today we are going to cover up the chapter, chapter number 5, A Brief History of Instant Ramen. So, this is about your favorite food, chicken noodles. So, which is pre-cooked one, you get it in a cup of bowl. Okay, you just have to add the hot water in it and your noodle is ready. So that type of, who invented that type of thing? So who was the one? Okay, so about that we are going to read. So chapter 5, A Brief History of Instant Ramen. So instant ramen. It was 1956 and Momofuku Ando, okay, it is the name who is the inventor's name. A Taiwanese immigrant to Japan was bankrupt. So he was a Taiwanese and he came to America, okay, immigrant to Japan. So he came to Japan and he was bankrupt. He had no money. So I'm reading all these things that you have. You just go through your book. Could you put it on my tab? Tab means table. He tried selling prefab houses, socks, engine parts. He would work as manager for a credit association. So as he had no money, he was trying to do something to add up money in his bank. So what was he trying to do? He would sell engine parts, he would sell socks, or he would try selling prefab houses. Okay, so that is how he was going to means he thought of doing this business so that he can add up money in his bank. A few lawsuits and a stint in jail for tax evasion had left him almost penniless. So he had to give to advocates. Stint in jail means he was in jail for tax evasion, that he did not pay his tax, so he was in jail. And for that, what has happened? He had no money in his bank. So he thought maybe I should go back to engine parts. So he thought maybe he could sell some engine parts. Okay. Then the next one. Excuse me. It's the next page. Momofuku Ando needed a new business plan. So what was his new business plan? That we will know through this story. He remembered the food shortages from a decade earlier in post-war Japan. Ando resolved to dedicate his life to finding a way to feed everybody in the world, especially feed everybody with noodles. So he specially added noodles. So he was eating noodles. He spent an entire year in his backyard garden shed experimenting with ways of pre-packaging ramen. So in his garden, he was inventing this ramen, inventing these noodles. Hey, great things happen in garden sheds. So somebody used to say him that great things happens in the garden shed. His methods were a bit unorthodox. Unorthodox means which are old, something related to old version, not the modern ways. He tried using a watering can to sprinkle his mushy noodles with chicken soup. So he sprinkled some chicken soup in his ramen. Result even mushier. So it was getting even more damp. In 1958, he developed a system. You gotta have a system and to boil the noodles. So first, he was seeing that sprinkling the chicken soup, the noodles were getting a little dampy. Okay. So it was not getting boiled nicely. So that is why he first tried to followed some steps. So Ando boiled the noodles. Second, what did he do? Fried them, then dried them, then deep fried them. So these are the 4 ways how our noodles is invented by whom? Momofuku Ando. So this left tiny holes in the dried noodles, getting them reconstitute themselves quickly when hot water was applied. So it was getting whole. Okay, so doing this 4 steps, it added hole in the noodles, and when a cup of hot water was added, these noodles were getting swollen. Okay, they were getting phul jana matlab they were getting swollen. Next, Ando's noodles were initially marketed as a luxury item, so it soon became very popular. And prices soon dropped, though an instant ramen noodles became popular in Japan. I came to understand that all my failure, all my shame was like muscle added to my body. So he added that, he said, this is his actual quote, this is Momofuku Ando actually said this, that failure is the pillar of his success, that we know the proverb. I came to understand that all my failure, all my shame was like muscle added. So as he was bankrupted, he was not, his business was not doing good, he was penniless, so everything that was happening, okay, that was happening was actually added, boosted him up. Okay, so that is how he became successful in inventing instant ramen, or a brand name was that chicken ramen. Okay, so all the exercise questions will be given to you in the next class. I have given the meanings. Please do mark the meanings in your book that will be coming after this video as a PDF form. Okay, thank you.